Welcome. We are going to see an overview of fire, fire types, and fire extinguishers. Presented by Mining Branch, Group C Session 2024 to 27 from Madhupur Polytechnic, Jharkhand. Table of contents. First, what is fire? Second, different types of fires. Third, what is flame? Fourth, what is a fire extinguisher? Fifth, different types of fire extinguishers. Sixth, key takeaways. At the very first, we are introducing fire. What is fire? Fire is a chemical reaction involving oxygen, heat, and fuel, commonly known as the fire triangle. It is a combustion process that releases heat and light. Some common causes of fire include electrical failures, human negligence, and natural causes. Now, we are going to discuss different types of fire. Fires are classified into five major categories. Fire Class A, fires involving ordinary combustibles like wood, paper, and fabric. Fire Class B, fires caused by flammable liquids such as gasoline and oils. Fire Class C, electrical fires caused by faulty wiring or appliances. Fire Class D, fires involving combustible metals like magnesium and aluminium. Fire Class K, fires originating from cooking oils and fats, common in kitchens. At next, we are going to discuss about flame. What is a flame? A flame is the visible, gaseous part of a combustion reaction. When fuel reacts with oxygen, it produces intense heat energy, causing atoms to become superheated. As they leave the combustion zone, they release excess energy in the form of light. Now we are hereby to introduce fire extinguishers. What is a fire extinguisher? A fire extinguisher is a portable device used to control or put out small fires. It contains chemicals or water to extinguish flames efficiently. At next, we are discussing types of fire extinguishers. Water fire extinguisher effective for Class A fires. Foam fire extinguisher suitable for Class A and B fires. Go-to fire extinguisher best for Class B and C fires. Dry chemical extinguisher works on Class A, B, and C fires. Wet chemical extinguisher designed for Class K fires in kitchens. At last, we are going to conclude this topic. Key takeaways. Understanding fire hazards and prevention methods is crucial for safety. Always know how to use a fire extinguisher properly. Regularly inspect and maintain fire safety equipment. Acknowledgements. This project was prepared by Mining Branch, Group C, 2024 to 27, with contributions from Kishan Singh, Gaurav Pradhan, Gautam Mahato, Gopinath Maji, and Chandan Soni.